I'm walking forward, not behind. I'm finally making up my mind.